Hello everybody, today we are going to be playing the new PTFS update, and if you can't tell already, we already have a new menu with new sounds. But yeah, I think the update's pretty stinking pretty cool. There's a sound going on when I click right here. Well, you can't see it, but if you go right below the ATC tower, you can and you hover over it, you can hear some sounds. I don't know what that is, but it means. Turn off. We're gonna turn off always there. Yeah, let's play. You can tell it's a really good new selection here. Now, since I am on mobile, you cannot actually hit GR, but you can just click it like that. We are going to be starting at Air Base Gary, where we will be checking out the new B1 Lancer. So let me run over there. Oh my god, that is weird lighting. Anyways, so yeah, go over here, click it. You obviously tell new menu. But we're here for the B1 and L1011. Let's get in. Cockpit's really nice. You know, got the quad throttles. There. Then go back a little bit. You'll have the Wizzos, I think. Yeah, this aircraft uses the same mechanism as the F-14. So the wings obviously extend. But this aircraft also has one animation. It's right here. Got to see the box and click on it. And boom, you have a staircase. But anyways, that's not what we're really here for. But yeah, really cool. Sounds amazing. This is probably my favorite aircraft in an update by far. Yeah, we will also be checking out the Skyrazer. But yeah, I can sense little kids doing Delta 191 RPs. I haven't been in a public server. I haven't seen it yet, but I'm pretty sure if I server hop enough, I'll see it. The iconic B1, purple afterburner. Lift off. Super great. I mean, it handles like a fighter. Well, it kind of handles like two things. Yeah. Gears are a little tilted. And this aircraft is really sick. Cockpit is nice. Looks good. And again. Let's put our wings out. Now, you will probably have to check out this game for yourself. You will have to check out this game yourself to see everything new. Hey, comment down below if you noticed anything new I didn't notice. Yeah, this video will probably be one of the longer ones I've ever done, just because of the great new aircraft. We will be checking out the L1011 in this video. Yeah, there's the stall alarm. I had to touch that one. We are very low. We're gonna hit the fence. As you can tell, just over the hill. Absolute water landing. Now, let's fly over to Miller. Actually, I want to see. I want to see, can we take off from this little piece from me? You can take off here. Yes, you can. Nope. Unfortunately, Let's do a low pass bridge here. Good. I don't know. Yeah, we are on this. Crazy. Yeah, we're just gonna do a super PTFS like. Hey, we are slowing down. Hey, not bad. Hey, okay, it wasn't bad. But yeah. So let's go ahead and run over here to the stand. Here, click on it, and yeah, we have all of this. But yeah, let's go to the airliners, and there is the Lockheed TriStar. So we have Air Dingus, Air Canadian, Air French, Belta, Britain, Cathay, Dan Am, Iberia, Reunited, and Stargazer. Go check out Stargazer, and there is a tanker variant of this. Now, I did try this in a private server, and yes, unfortunately only one drogue comes out, but that's alright. Now, the L-1011 has 5 levels of flaps. This and the Stargazer is the only one we're going to be trying. Because I don't feel like spending in the TriStar. I'm going to be buttering this one too this time. Yeah. L-1011, once again, amazing cockpit. I love the tri-throttle levers. Yeah. This one also has a custom interior, but if you check out this update by yourself, you'll see most of the passenger variants have the full content. But I don't know if it was like that in real life, but yeah, definitely a lot. So, as we taxi, make sure to like and subscribe while we're at it, because I am trying to get to 100 subscribers. Eventually, to 10,000 subscribers eventually, where you guys will have to be able to see my face. And since we're on the topic of subscribers, I'd like to thank you all for 50 subscribers. Even though if you just started watching today, or you know, have been here since the start, thank you for watching me and giving me that gift of confidence that was my dream of being YouTube. No, I'm not gonna make one of those videos. No, I'm not gonna make one of those cringe videos. People trying to get to know about me and they're like, I want to be a famous YouTuber. Because obviously, I don't like me. Do it right? No. I'm not gonna do it. I just like doing it. It's a hobby, and I'm glad that 50 of you, 50 or so of you guys like my content. So, thanks, guys. Really. Thanks. But anyways, moving on from the subscribers part, we are going to be landing. This is our end of the video. So, without further ado, let's check out this game. I probably have one thing in the description. Probably not though. So just go on Roblox and search for PTFS. But if you're watching this video right now, you will probably already know that. Make sure to like and sub, like I've said before. So I'd like to thank y'all so much for watching, and hey, like you see here, honestly, like and subscribe. So here's a butter to end off. So yeah, have a good night. Have a good day, evening, or night, depending on whenever you're watching this. Not the best landing ever. Good day. Obviously, I'm not the best. But yeah, thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time.